She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hello. I have not done a sit-down video in such a long time, but you know what? We're just gonna get into it. Hey guys, it's Grace, and for today's video, it's gonna be a big one, I guess. So for today's video, I am doing a huge fall thrift haul. I went to the Goodwill outlet, which is basically a Goodwill, but they put all of the clothes and everything in these giant bins. And let me tell you, it is a workout. It is a huge workout. My arms hurt a little bit from the amount of digging and throwing and stuff, but they like weigh your clothes to determine the price. And I got so much stuff for $17. That is a steal for the amount of stuff that I got. Yes. So I'm going to stop talking now. Well, I am going to be talking, but you know what I mean. I'm going to just get right into it because this is going to be a pretty long video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Guys, I kid you not, I got so much stuff. Like, I got so much stuff. But like, it's fine. I already washed everything and I went shopping yesterday because I'm so excited. But I got so much stuff. Your resident Dumbo stan has arrived. It's not focused. Okay, so the first things that I got, these are just like home decor stuff that I'm considering. I got 2 records, and ooh, the color kind of matches my shirt. Anyway, I got 2 records, and what I'm going to do with them is I'm going to paint on them so that they can become room decor. And I'm thinking on one side I'm going to do clouds, and then on the other side like maybe flowers or something, so that I can like change it up depending on like season and stuff. But I really like these. I saw them and I was like, I'm just gonna take you and I'm gonna take you. First clothing item, I got John something because I wanted to spoil my baby a little bit. That was very cringy, I'm so sorry. But I got him this burnt orange sweater. It's a knit sweater, and it has a navy blue and white stripe in the center. It'll be really hard to tell on camera because my lighting is like warmish kind of, but I got him this burnt orange sweater, so I really hope he likes it. Okay, so update, he really likes this sweater. I mean, by the time this video's up, he would already have gotten it. So yeah, I really like this. It's very soft and cozy, so that's what I got John. The next item that I got is this tan knit striped turtleneck. This gives me extreme Burberry vibes, so I was like, this is cute, I'm going to wear it. But I'm really excited to wear this in the fall, especially like transitioning right now, so it's really cute. Okay, so if you guys can't tell, I'm not good at describing things, so like please bear with me throughout this whole video. I'm not good at describing things and I'm so sorry, but I really like this. It's very cute, very Burberry-esque, which I'm not complaining. Also, I'm sorry about the lighting going in and out. I'm using natural light. Oh, dear.
Oh, sweet dear.
Okay. Next, I got this blazer. We love a good blazer. I love blazers so much. I got this nude, well, like tannish blazer, and if you look closely, you can see that there is like white stripes, but there's also like red and blue in there, and I think this is beautiful. You can never go wrong with a blazer in your closet. Very professional, very nice. You can style it with a lot of things, so I'm very excited to wear this. It's like wrinkled, it's because I just washed this stuff and it was hang drying and stuff, but I got this like lime yellow green button down. It's silky. I think this top is beautiful. It's more springy, but I can also just wear it in the fall I really like this top. I don't know how I'm holding this, I'm sorry, but it's just button down. It has little buttons going down the sleeve. I just think this is a perfect top for like spring or fall, or just like transitioning. I think it's just a perfect top for that. You're going to see these pants and you're gonna be like, why did you get these? Why did you get them? But yeah, I'll just show you. These are the pants. They're like, they're capris basically. I think these are very cute. They're very fall, like the colors. And the pattern is just really cool. It kind of reminds me of like a carpet in a mansion in like England or somewhere. Well, I love these pants. They're so cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend these pants, even though I thrifted them. I just really like the overall pattern and the colors too. Very fall. I like it. So like I'm going through a button down phase because like the next few tops are button downs. Sorry, I don't make the rules for that. This is a green striped button down. I love this. I'm thinking about doing like an apricot kind of color makeup look with this. I just think this top is very pretty. It's very simple. You can style it with a lot of things. I just really like it. I'm like halfway out of the frame. This is about the clothes, not me, you know. I got a pajama set. I found the matching, first of all, I just found the bottoms. These are the bottoms. They're floral and silky and blue and pretty and pink and yellow, and my aesthetic in a pajama set. So I first found the shorts, and then as I was digging through another bin, I found the matching top. So it is just like a button down top, matches the bottoms. I cannot wait to sleep in this. It's very pretty, it's very silky, I like it. Next, I found this simple nude short sleeve t-shirt. There's nothing much to it. I found it and I was like, I need a short sleeve t-shirt like this, so got it. It's a nude. I like it. I don't know how to describe this color. It's like a reddish brown. It's not really mauve, but it's like a reddish brown color. It's a button down. This looks more maroon on camera, so that's what I'm gonna go with. But I got this button down. It has a nice pocket. It's a huge pocket. And so what the buttons look like. It's kind of, I don't know how to describe the texture of it. It's like not like velvet, but it's not like your regular fabric. I don't know how to explain it. I know what the fabric is, I just don't know how to explain it. But it's that fabric, and it's really nice and soft, and I cannot wait to wear this with just like a pair of mom jeans and some booties and stuff, and it's gonna look really cute. It's got this simple red button down, like kind of crew necky almost, not really, but it kind of reminds me of the shirt that I have of John's. It's kind of exactly like this, but I'm really excited to wear this. It's very soft, and I cannot wait to wear this in the fall, just like on lazy days. I'm excited. I have these brown pants. They are, if you look closely, you can see the design in them. They look like that. I think these are very nice for fall. You can wear them with just like a simple white t-shirt and stuff. I really like these.
Okay, so now we're getting to the part of the video where I have food waiting for me and I start talking really fast because I'm very hungry. So I will just put all of like the clothing pieces at the end from this point on, so that way you guys can see it in full because I talk really fast and I'm sorry.
Okay, so about this top. This is a very fall-esque top. It just the colors. We have mustard yellows, we have maroons, we have very nice sleeves. This is just a very nice top for fall, and I'm very excited to wear it. It's just a very pretty top and very fall. The next thing that I got is this like sweatshirt crew neck kind of thing. It's pastel, which is okay, but my friend, she threw it at me. She was like, here, take this, because pastel, I love pastels. You know me well enough, I love pastels. So it has yellow, pink, teal. It's just very pretty and soft, and this is what part of the sleeve looks like. And just, I really like this, and I can't wait to wear this with just like sweatpants or like mom jeans and stuff, with like a pair of Air Force Ones or something. It's gonna be really pretty. Then I have this green button down. It's kind of like a jacket almost, but it's hard to explain. It's like a weird jacket mixed with a nice top, but I'm not complaining. It's a very nice green top. People say that green is my color, and I'm like, red's my color, but I really like this green. This is a nice green for fall and winter too. It's just a very nice green, and the buttons are also very pretty too. So I really like this top. Got this denim shirt. I like a nice denim shirt, but this has my favorite NFL football team on it, which is the Eagles, the Philadelphia Eagles. They're my favorite football team. So I saw this and I was like, I just need to get it because it's my favorite football team. And it's just a really nice denim shirt too, so I can't wait to wear it. And then I have this white button down. It's from Chaps. I'm very excited to wear this top because it has gold buttons. If you can't tell, it has gold buttons. Like, I want to wear like this top with these earrings that I'm wearing and stuff. Some like mom jeans and booties or like heels, and oh, this will be so pretty. But I really like this top a whole lot. It's just very nice white button down, which I feel like is a staple for a closet or a wardrobe. And then next I have this Burberry-esque flannel, little button down. It's not like the Burberry colors, but it's blue and teal. Oh, it's blue and teal, and it's okay. So I saved the best for last. I have these pink bell bottoms. Oh my god, I am in love with these pants so much. They are so cute and pretty. I don't even care if it's not fall related. These are just so pretty and cute, and there's like white stripes in it. It's like kind of pleated. This gives me Jackie from That 70s Show vibes. This screams her, and I'm not complaining at all because she's one of my favorite characters. And I love these pants so much. These pants are my babies already. This is my baby already. My pride and joy. These pants right here. I love them. I hope you enjoyed this fall haul, thrift haul video. If you did, please comment down below which like piece was your favorite and why, I guess. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, bye guys.